Now coming to question number 5. In the figure, if AB is parallel to CD, this is the figure given, and this line AB is parallel to CD, and this angle APQ is equal to 50 degree and angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. We have to find the value of X and Y. तो यहाँ पर भी हम वही प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करने वाले हैं, पैरेलल लाइंस एंड ट्रांसवर्सल वाली. तो गिवन AB is parallel to CD and अगर हम इसे ट्रांसवर्सल माने PQ को, and PQ is a transversal, okay, then अगर आप देखें तो this is 50 degree and this angle X, they are alternate interior angle. Given AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal, implies that X is equal to 50 degree. Why? Alternate interior angles and alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. Now, if we say that AB is parallel to CD and PR is a transversal, now AB is parallel to CD and we consider that PR is a transversal. Then angle APR is equal to angle PRD. Angle APR is equal to angle PRD. अभी एंगल APR जो है दो एंगल से मिलकर बना हुआ है, एंगल APQ एंड QPR. That is angle APQ plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRD is given 127 degree. अब एंगल APQ क्या है? 50 डिग्री. और एंगल QPR क्या है? Y. तो it is equal to 127 degree. तो Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree, which is equal to 77 degree. So X is equal to 50 degree and Y is equal to 77 degree. This is the answer. Okay. Now coming to question number 6. In figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. If you look at this figure, this PQ and RS, they are two mirrors and they are placed parallel to each other with their reflecting side facing. These slanting lines जो हैं ये show कर रही है कि this is polished mirror को हम ऐसे represent करते हैं. An incident ray strikes the mirror PQ at B. ये जो AB है ये एक incident ray है और ये PQ mirror पर this point B पर incident है. And the reflected ray, जब ये AB पे strike हुई, this is the mirror, it will get reflected. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and it strikes the mirror RS at point C and again reflects back along CD. And we have to prove that this AB is parallel to CD. So students, first of all we will write what is given. It is given PQ is parallel to RS and AB, BC and CD, they all are rays. We have to prove this AB is parallel to CD. For this we have to do a construction. We will draw a line BM perpendicular to PQ and a line CN perpendicular to RS. So BM perpendicular to PQ, this is the sign of perpendicular, and CN perpendicular to RS. Now we are going to prove. So what is the proof? Now since AB is the incident ray and BC is the reflected ray and BM is a perpendicular. We can say this is a normal. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because you have studied in the laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Here this AB is the incident ray, BC is the reflected ray, BM is the normal or perpendicular. This angle 1 is angle of incidence, angle 2 is angle of reflection. The angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now similarly, if we see, जब ये रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हुई तो C वाले पे ये अब BC क्या होगी, इंसिडेंट रे, एंड CD is the reflected ray. So this is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason is same, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Let these two are equations 1. Okay. Now we know this BM is perpendicular to PQ and CN is perpendicular to RS, and PQ and RS, they are parallel to each other. So this implies that BM is parallel to CN. अगर किन्हीं दो parallel lines पर कोई perpendicular draw करते हैं, कितनी भी हम perpendicular draw कर लें, वो हमेशा parallel होंगी, ठीक है? और BM is parallel to CN और ये जो है BC, it's a transversal. So from this we get that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Since BM is perpendicular to PQ and CN is perpendicular to RS and it is given PQ is parallel to RS, therefore BM is parallel to CN. और यहाँ से हमें क्या मिला, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. ठीक है? अब ये alternate interior angles है, let it be equation 2. अब अगर हम first और second को देखें, from first and second we get क्या, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, ठीक है? angle 1 is equal to angle 2 और second कहता है angle 2 is equal to angle 3, so that is equal to angle 3 और angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So from first and second we get angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That means all the four angles are equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. ठीक है? अगर हम इनमें से कोई भी दो एंगल का सम करेंगे तो बाकी की दो के इक्वल होगा, ठीक? Now angle 1 plus angle 2 is angle ABC. अगर हम angle 1 plus angle 2 का नाम लिखेंगे तो angle ABC और angle 3 plus angle 4 है angle BCD. angle BCD और ये एंगल ABC और BCD एक्चुअली क्या है, ये alternate interior angles हैं, but these angle ABC and angle BCD are alternate interior angles. And they are equal also. Angle ABC, BCD alternate interior angles भी and angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Hence, proved. अगर हमें given होता है parallel lines है तो इसका मतलब alternate interior angles equal होंगे. अभी हमने prove किया कि alternate interior angles are equal. That means the lines are parallel. Clear to all of you?